I see. I remember, Rocky. I remember. I have borrowed money from you. I remember. But this time, I really don't have any amount. But see, I can give you within a week. Trust me, within a week. Okay? So please don't call me again and again. I request you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, after a week. Yeah. Chandan, ji bhaiya. Actually, I have to go to meet one of my friends. So you stay at home. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back. Okay, bhaiya. Birju. Hello. Hey, Birju. How are you? I'm good. And what about you? Nothing special. Just feeling bored. Bored? अरे भैया, if Birju is your friend, how can you feel bored? After all, Birju means entertainment, eh? Yeah, you are right. Why don't you come to my home? I'm alone here. Where's your brother? Yeah, he has gone to his friend's home. Okay, then I'm coming. Okay, come. Absolutely, absolutely. I'm coming. Okay, catch you. So, how is the progress of your love story, eh? Love story? I don't know her name. I haven't even said hi to her. And you are asking about my love story progress. Are you burbak or what? Do one thing. See, nothing happens, buddy. Muster some courage. Go to the girl, look into her eyes, and express your feeling, and then see what happens. Are you sure? Of course. What do you think? I'm just a beetle man. I'm not only a beetle man, but also a love guru. Okay, I will do the same. Chandan, could you come here? Just a minute, Birju. Chandan, I don't want you to be in the company of such a beetle man. Always make friendship with those people who are equal to you in status. And I don't think he is equal to us in terms of anything. I hope you understand. Oh, Bhaiya, I'm going to meet my friend. Hello, Mr. Singh. Hi. So, Mr. Singh, shall we talk? I'm sorry. I know you hate smoking. Okay. I'm not going to smoke here. See, Mr. Singh, let me tell you something very, very clearly. You said that you would give me money back within a week, but a week has already passed and you failed to give money. Mr. Singh, I must tell you that never mess with three things: fire, water, and Rock. Because fire burns, water drowns, and Rocky kills. Rocky! Oh, Mr. Singh, I don't want to drive you mad, but I can't help it because I am a lender. If I know how to lend money, I also know how to recover it. I give you one more week of time, and if you fail, then you know better. I can stoop to any because my name is Rock. Allow me. Birju, I'm sorry. Actually, my brother is a kind of orthodox. So please don't take it to heart. It's not like that. See, you know my nature. I never take anything to heart. I went away from there because, I didn't want you to be uncomfortable. Anyways, leave this matter. Tell me one thing. How is your love story? Did you propose that girl or not? Birju, you are really great, buddy. You are really a love guru. Because I did exactly what you said. And, she's my girlfriend now. Ooh. That's like a brave boy. Amazing. Credit goes to you. By the way, Birju, you claim to be a love guru, but you never said about your love story.
I can never be the girlfriend of a Beetleman.
Birju, are you okay? No. I was just drinking something. Birju, my brother would be waiting for me, so I'm going. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Okay, bye. My love story. I am Beetleman. People think that I am the king of entertainment. I always chew pan. I'm a Beetleman. Nobody takes me seriously. I am Beetleman. Means I don't deserve love from anyone. I'm Beetleman. Means I don't deserve respect from anyone. Nobody knows about my feelings. Beetleman. People think that Beetleman doesn't have a heart. But I will no longer be a Beetleman. I'm saving money. When I have a lot of money, I will start a business. I don't want to be called a Beetle. Mr. Singh, I think you have not taken me seriously. I already gave you 1 week of time, but you failed to pay. And I had already told you that I can stoop to any level. I think the time has come for the bird of your life to fly. Now see what I do. Excuse me. Yes? I'm sorry I eavesdrop everything, eh? Mr. Rocky, how much money do you have to take from Bade Bhaiya? Hmm? You're just a beetle man and you're talking about money. Beetle man, beetle man. Yes, I'm beetle man. What's the problem? I'm beetle man means what? I don't have right to love? Hmm? I don't have right to make friendship. And what do you think? If I'm a beetle man, it means I can't have money? Hmm? Tell me, how much money do you want? How much money do you want from it? Tell me. Okay, 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh, huh? Well, give me the mobile number which is registered to your bank. Give me. Okay, write down 987124. Okay. Just a minute. Check. That's great. Okay. Okay, Mr. Singh, allow me to go. Sorry for the trouble. Okay, Birju, allow me to. Oh, Birju, I don't know how to say, but I would say that I'm really sorry. I'm sorry because I always thought of status. I thought that you're just a beetle man. But I forgot that there is something which is called humanity. I'm sorry, Birju. You have done a lot to me. I'm sorry. Bade Bhaiya, what are you doing? Don't say sorry to me. Chandan is my best friend and I always consider you to be my elder brother. I am happy that I am able to help you. So please, don't say sorry to me. And allow me to go, Bhaiya. God bless you. I was saving money so that I can become a businessman because I don't want to be called a beetle man. I was wrong. There is no problem in being called beetle man. If a beetle man can help anybody, that's great. Now, I don't want to change my profession just because I'm a beetle man. I must prove that yes, beetle man also has right. Beetle man also has right to make friendship. Beetle man also has right to love someone. I'm happy to be beetle man. I'm happy to be beetle man. After all, I am Birju beetle man. Birju beetle man. Birju beetle man. Birju beetle man. I'm beetle man. I should not feel shy. I'm not ashamed of it. Yes, I'm not.